Let's start with StubHub, ticker symbol STUB. This stock getting slammed this morning. It's down 21%. Year to date, it is down 37%. Remember, it went public in September of last year at $23.50 a share. It now trades at about $8.50. So here's the latest news. It is a ticket seller, as we all know, and it failed to turn a profit in the second quarter. And this is despite a surge in revenue from the World Cup. So revenue climbed 33%, but total costs and expenses grew even faster, jumping 37%. Income from operations dropped 29% year over year. Executives on the earnings call said that top line growth reflected healthy demand for live events like the World Cup. It said that fans from more than 150 countries attended matches with tickets bought on StubHub. But yesterday we were talking about the fact that some people who bought those tickets never received them.
Yep.
Or they got lesser than tickets than they paid for. Now they're taking StubHub to court, apparently, to get their refunds back because they've been slow to give people refunds.
I've never been messed up, but the distrust in the system is tangible. They got to fix it.
Yeah, I like to buy from the source whenever possible. Sometimes it's not possible because these tickets are really hard to come by.
Next.
All right, let's move on to Birkenstocks. Does anyone in the room own a pair of Birkenstocks? Raise your hand.
I have a pair, and I wore them with white socks one day, and my children threatened to disown me.
Yeah, I don't blame them. So these are the sandals. They have clogs, mostly open-toe sandals. I don't know. My kids love them. I never have found them to be attractive, but that's a whole other story. Anyway, Birkenstock, BIRK, is the ticker symbol, up 11.5%. Full-year sales growth forecast beat quarterly revenue estimates, now expects annual revenue growth of 15%. They're doing well. But here it is. They are pricier, and they seem to be doing okay, even though even wealthier folks are pulling back on this discretionary spending.
Do you do the flip-flop open?
Flip-flops from April through October.
When I go get my nails done on Madison Avenue, I get my nails done.
I'm happy to hear.
It's like the scene in E.T. They're in the house.
Can I just say one thing about Birkenstock? I liked this trend, direct to consumer. It has become very big, even for Decker Outdoors, which owns those Hoka sneakers.
Yes,
everybody in the medical industry, by the way, wears Hokas. I was at my doctor's office the other day. Everybody's wearing a Hoka. But direct to consumer accounted for 39% of quarterly revenue at Birkenstock. So it's huge. All right.
Get one more because I got another one behind you. Stock mover.
Gotcha. Cerebras, CBRS ticker symbol. They're down 18.5%. Now, this is its second earnings report as a publicly traded company. Wall Street still setting its expectations for this company. A slower growth than investors anticipated. Right. They say it has a niche product that the industry is still dominated by NVIDIA's AI processors.